In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a Turo host's profile and reviews from a car search in the Turo app. Let's start right from the home screen of the Turo app. At the very top, you'll see the search bar. Give that a tap to begin your search. This is where you'll tell Turo where you want to pick up a car. Type in a location that works best for you. This can be a city, a major airport, or even a precise street address if you already know the exact area. While you're in the search field, you can also add your trip timing and the driver's age. Including your dates helps Turo show you what's actually available for your schedule, and adding the driver age can improve accuracy for pricing and eligibility. Once you've entered the location and any optional details, tap the search button to load results. You'll now see a list of cars that match your criteria. Browse through the options and tap on a car that catches your eye. This will open the detailed listing for that vehicle. On this page, scroll down to read the description. This section typically explains what the car offers and may outline important notes from the host, such as key features, guidance for pickup, or helpful reminders about the trip. Continue scrolling until you find the section labeled Hosted By. This area highlights the person who shares the car on Turo. You'll see their profile photo here. To learn more about them, tap the profile picture. That takes you straight to the host's profile page. On the host profile, you're in the right place to evaluate who you'll be renting from. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. To understand other guests' experiences, scroll down to the reviews section. Keep scrolling to see all the host reviews. These comments are especially valuable for understanding communication style, reliability, and how smooth pickup and return tend to be. Look for consistent themes in what past guests mention, as that can help you set expectations for your own trip. That's the whole process. Open the Turo app, start a search from the top bar, enter a location and optional details like your dates and driver age, run the search, open a car listing, read through the description, find the Hosted By section, tap the host's profile picture, and then scroll down to view all their reviews. With this simple flow, you can confidently evaluate a host before moving forward with your reservation. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step on your own device.